So 2x to the third minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 21. So just to review those of you guys online, sorry I forgot to record at the start. This is 4 terms, grouping. So 2x to the third minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 21. So when you see something with 4 terms, you want to group it. Now again, you still want to look for a GCF at the start, but there isn't one. So we're going to group this into 2 separate parts. Guys, off your phone, should be focused with us up here. So out of those first 2 terms, I can take out an x squared, only, just an x squared. When I take that out, I'm left with 2x minus 7. The 6x minus 21, what can come out of that? 6x and 21, what's our GCF there? If you're ever struggling to figure that out, look at the term here. So 6x and 2x, to get that, I have to divide it by 3. So a 3 comes out. Right? So you're trying to figure out how to make those match. So then this is 2x minus 7. So now I have the same thing twice. Now last night in the homework, or like this past weekend, some of the problems could still be factored further. Can this x squared plus 3 be factored further? Kind of a trick question. It can. Because what's wrong with it? It is 2 terms. The first one's a perfect square, but the second one's not. 3 is not a perfect square. And then it's also addition instead of subtraction. Okay? So, that's considered done then. All right, guys, so for your homework tonight, part of the homework is also going to be some of the review stuff from the beginning of the chapter, which don't forget about the beginning of this chapter, we did FOIL, so multiplying and distributing. So that's part of it. We also did addition and subtraction. So if you guys have a little bit of space on the back of your sheet real quick, I just want to remind you guys the difference. So you have a little bit of space, we can do these 2 and talk about them real quick. So this was the gist of the first few sections. So the left versus the right are 2 different rules here. What are we doing on the left side? We're doing addition. So all we're doing here is combining like terms. So I'm doing x plus x is going to be 2x. So I'm not doing FOIL here because this is addition instead of multiplication. Negative 3 plus 4 is going to be a positive 1. That's all that one's asking you to do. So don't look at that problem and see 2 parentheses. FOIL, we know how to do FOIL. You know, like it's a big deal. We did it a lot. But at the same time, it's not for every problem. This one is FOIL because it's 2 parentheses stuck together. So this one I'm going to do first out or inner last. So you're going to get a much different answer. And then I have like terms in the middle here. So 2 different answers for 2 different types of problems. But they look so similar. So I just want to make sure you guys watch out for that as those come up. All right, so homework is listed online. I'll pull up the screen so you guys can see it. It's just book work, just the start of a review. Again, our test is going to be on Wednesday. You need to write yourself a little note. And so that'll be our last test before our exam. We will still learn a few new things just because we have a little bit of time. We run out of stuff to talk about. So our homework is here. Let me make it bigger. Oops, not quite that big. So it's 621, 2 through 12 evens, and then some like specific problems. So this should be our homework here. And I believe there should be a picture online there. Watch me miss. All right.